Okay, so this is another DIY project which I have made, that is word counter, which will count the words in a given sentence. Sentence would be given by the user. You can see I have named it as word wizard, a fun DIY project. Okay, let's see the code. Okay, so as I have explained, now I will write the code for word counter, and as well as it would be giving you the longest word which you have typed. So for that I'll make it modular, means two different functions I will write. One will count the word and one will find the largest word, right? So first I'll start with word counter. So I can write count words, and here we'll pass a sentence, so I will write sentence here. Okay, and then definitely different words would be there in sentence. So I can write sentence dot strip, because we have to strip, and definitely apart from this I can split all the words in the sentence. Okay, so and after that definitely I have to return. I can write return words here. Basically we want the length of the words, so instead of returning word and counting it again, I can simply write length of words. Okay, so it will give us total word count, right? Length of words is the word count, because the list words will contain all the words. Okay, now another function to find the longest word, I can write find longest word, and definitely it will also use the sentence, right? And how we can find that? So again we will require word to sentence dot strip split. We can make it at one place also splitting, but I am writing it again. Now if we, once we will get the list of words, okay, so what we can check, if the list is empty, means it will return false. Then what we have to return? Simply we have to return nothing. Okay, so longest word would be nothing, so simply we can write this. Okay, otherwise we'll do longest word. So by default word first character we can treat it as longest, right, in starting, and then we'll check and then we'll replace which one is longest. So we can write for word in words. Okay, then we have to check the length. If length of word is greater than length of longest, which is the current one, what does that mean? We have to replace the longest with new one. Okay, so what we can do, longest is equal to word, simple, and at last what we have to do, we have to return the longest words. So return longest. So we made this function. Now we have to pause. So again we'll write print welcome to word counter, we can write counter, or to make it more creative, word chart DIY, just to make it more creative. And then we can write where user has to enter the sentence. We have to take input, so we will write input. Inputs, and here we can give the command, just message type your sentence, like this. Okay, after that simply we have to call and get the total words is equal to call the function, which function would be called count words, and here we will pass the sentence. Right? Again, longest word we have to count, so we can write longest word is equal to, again we will write find longest word, again we will pass sentence. After that just we have to print your sentence as words. Okay, and then we have to print the longest. We'll write print the longest word is that's all. Okay, so this is what we wanted. Now let's try to run this. Your sentence has 10 words and the longest word is project. So this is all. Thank you so much for watching the project. Bye bye.